Hello students, I myself Mrs. Bharti Dubey. I am going to teach you 5th standard environment, and today's our first chapter is super senses. Now children, tell me, what is sense organ? Sense organ are the organs which help us to know and understand the world around us. And how many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. Which are they? They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. How they work? Eyes help us to see the wonderful world around us. Nose, they help us to smell the bad things and good things. Ears help us to listen the music, the songs. Tongue help us to taste the tasty food which your mom cooks. And skin help us to touch and feel. You know, we all human beings are having these senses, but animals and birds are also having the same senses. They can also hear, smell, touch and feel. But their senses are super strong than us. So let's start with our senses. So today's our first sense is on sight. Sight means to see. You know, some birds, when they are flying, they can see from very far. Like when they are flying high up in the sky, they can see the food items fallen on the ground from a very far. And you know, they can see the distance of 8 meters. What we can see the distance of 2 meters. For example, vulture, kite, eagles. They can see their food items from very far, and like this they are able to get their food. So the sense organ of sight is very strong. Similarly, tigers seeing sense is also very strong. They can find their prey at the distance of 6 times better than us, and they mostly hunt at night. They are able to see clearly at night. Even rats can see clearly at night, and they find their food at night. You know, most of the birds are having eyes in front of their head, like we human beings. Most birds are having eyes on their either sides of their head. For example, hen, eagle, vulture, kites. Now, suppose I tell you to see the things without moving your neck. So what you will say? You will say that I can see the things in front of me and little bit to our side. But you know, these birds, they can see the things at 2 different directions at the same time. They can see the things to their left with their left eyes, and they can see to the things to their right side with their right eyes. You know, some animals, they are awake at daytime. They can see, they can recognize all the colors. But the animals, those who are wake up at night, they can only see the color black and white. Now, our next sense is super sense of hearing. Hearing means to hear with our ears. You know, some animals, they can hear the faintest sound. What do you mean by faintest? Faintest means to talk in a low voice, means whispering. Have you seen the dogs in the street when they are sleeping? And if we pass by them, you know, even they are sleeping, but their ears, they shoot up. It means that sense of hearing is very strong. Similarly, snakes, they don't have ears, but they can feel the vibrations. Elephant, they are having a big funnel ears which helps to protect themselves and their babies from the dangers. Birds, they are having a holes which is covered with feathers. And even tigers are also having a super sense of hearing. They can hear the different sounds from different directions. Now, our next super sense is sight. Sight means to see. Mosquitoes can smell our body and feet. Have you seen most of the birds sniffing here and there? What do you think? What they must be smelling? Mostly you can see the dogs moving here and there. So moving here and there, they do urine wherever they get the place. So by doing the urine here and there, they mark their own space and territory. And have you seen any new dog? When they comes in their area, they start barking so strongly. Why? Because they know their space and territory. So they don't allow any new dog to enter in their area. Similarly, ants. When you are eating some sweet and by mistake it drops on the ground. Have you seen the ants? Within a minute, they gather around the sweet. Why? And why they gather all together? Because the sense of smelling. When one ant comes, following its smell, another ants follow the same smell, and ants move in a line. They smell the trail left by other ants. Similarly, we human beings are also having a sense of smell. We can also have a super smell, like we can smell flowers, perfumes, then leaking of gas, incense stick. We are also having a super sense of smelling. We can smell good smell and bad smell. Now we can also smell the bad things when we pass through the heap of garbage. But the children who spend their whole day near the heap of garbage, they don't smell such bad smell because they are used to with their smell. So we human beings, like animals and birds, also having the senses, but the senses of animals and birds are super strong than us. Thank you.